Hi everyone, I am Dr.P.Uma Maheswari, Assistant Professor of Botany, the Standard 5 of Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivahasi. Today we discuss about the grafting techniques under the subject of horticulture and forestry. So what is grafting? So grafting is a process by which two different plants are united so that they grow as one. That is two different parts of a plant. One is the scion, another one is the stalk. So, what is scion and what is stalk means? The scion is newly installed shoot or tip of the plant. It comes under the living plant of root tips or shoot tips of the plant. And next one is what is root stalk is means? It's a seedling or a plant that is used as a bottom half of the graft. That is the bottom of the plant in the living part of the plant system. So, what is the cambium means? It is the thin tissue just under the bark of the scion or a stem. That is the central portion of the stem in between the xylem character and phloem characters is accessible. And next is what is the type of the graftings. So, there are so many grafting type is there. We well known about that cleft grafting. This is the common cleft grafting techniques. It is used for top working trees or when the rootstock is bigger than the scion. So, this process is also done in the early spring. The picture shows the cleft grafting. The A shows between the cambium and cut into the center part, and B is the another part of the plant. So, the A and B is connected to the center of the cambium and tied with the thin layer of papers. And next the D picture shows that A scion and D is the stalk, and the two things are joined together as a growth of cleft grafting. And next type is the whip grafting, that is tongue grafting. It is mainly for the fruit trees and done with the winter month, because the fruit trees are grown in the winter season only. So, this whip grafting is mainly for fruit trees. So, this whip grafting is combined with scion and stalk regions. The scion is the another plant of tissues. The cambium tissue must be carefully aligned, and stalk root and root stalk of another plant. The root stalk, once the graft is established, buds in the root stalk will be burned. And next type is side veneer grafting. It is the most effective way to the graft evergreens. This is done in the early springs. So, this type of grafting is most for side weaver of grafting. So, these also involved in the stalk and scion part of various different parts of the plants. So, this one is the first, the picture shows the first one is stalk and scion plant. So, first this one is the upper portion is the another plant, one plant of living organism, and another plant is the stalk regions. The stalk region is cut into the right side also and inserted into the new plant. So, tie with the small wax also, wax or a tie or a thread like structures, thread like materials will be tie about the plant. So, after that the 5 to 6 month or within 1 week it will grow in the new plant. So, how it is works? The scion and root stalk from the physical union which is growing together of tissues. So, this process allow the plant sap to move across the graft from the root stalk and the new top, then back again. So, grafting is used to increase the number of a desirable plant and give them stronger with roots that are more resistant to the diseases. So, in case of grafting techniques, it is more resistant to the diseases and no more pest resistance also. And also soon as the graft is made, all cut surfaces need to be covered with waterproofing material, that is used for grafting wax, plastic ties, rubber ties and threads also. And match the growing area at the edge of the root pieces at least one side. So, the one side of the root will be developed on the new stalk, and stalk will be developed into the new plant also. The cambium layer of two matched parts must come in contact and highly tied together. So, don't cambium dry out. So, the cambium should not dry in the cases of period of stalk and scion together. So the two plants must be related closely enough the stalk and scion can grow together. So grafting is done when stalk and scion are dormant, have no leaves. So when it is scion period, when is the grafting period, the leaves are not probably developed. Only buds are developed in the grafting period. Thank you.